The chance of snow is a welcome sight for many, whether they're looking to play in it or work because of it. Our live team coverage continues with Adam Duxter live at Lakewood Hills Park in White Bear Lake with how both groups are preparing. Adam.
Yeah, Shayla, right now there's still Frisbee golfers even out here at Lakewood Hills in White Bear Lake. But come tomorrow, this hill is not going to be Frisbee golf. It is going to be some pretty epic sledding for kids and their families coming out and enjoying some of that snow. But for everyone who is wanting to play in the snow, there are people who are working in and because of that snow, and they're just as excited. Whether you are a snowplow driver or a snowblower salesman like at Minneapolis Saw, they are really excited for the snow to be here because last year, the warmest winter on record, hard on them as a business. And they say there that they just never anticipated in 30 years of business that we would have a winter quite like this one. And now they're confident people starting the snowblower up maybe for the first time in a couple years might have some issues trying to do so.
No, no, I thought snow was a dependable thing. So yeah, I didn't think that I'd have to rely on snow and just how big a factor it really turns out to be in business to have 4 seasons. I am praying for snow. We're all praying for a white Christmas. Well, just to have a white Christmas is nice, but yes, it would help business a lot.
So yeah, Shayla, lots of fun for some, but again, some of these companies in the Twin Cities, every time the snow falls, truly is money in their pockets. And coming up tonight in the news at 5, I'll introduce you to a snowplow company right here just next door in Bad Ness Heights that say they're already ready to go for tomorrow, and they have had it on their calendars for quite some time. They are hoping it is a white Christmas and even white beyond that.
All right, well, we'll look forward to that report. Our Adam Duxter reporting. Thanks so much, Adam.